Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find your reposted video on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Reposting on Snapchat lets you share someone else's content with your audience while keeping the original threaded intact. Unlike other platforms, Snapchat doesn't have a built-in repost button, so you'll need a simple workaround. Learning how to repost on Snapchat can help influencer, business, or just regular user and provide great content like viral snaps, even highlights or creative stories. But now you can share someone video, you can repost it. How to do it? Very simple. First you can open your Snapchat. Now we can go to the spotlight section. Now, if you want to reshare, you want to repost, you'll find there is a button under the comment button. You can just tap on that. So now you have repost that video. This one, two. You've repost that video. Okay, like this. So your friends on Snapchat can see the video that you just repost. But how if you want to find the reposted video, the videos that you just repost? It's very simple. So first of all, you can just go to your profile. You can tap on the up left corner here. Now in here, you can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option spotlight, favorites, and repost. You can just tap on that. So here's all the reposted video, all the spotlights, all the videos that you just repost on your Snapchat. It's very simple, right? You can find in here. You can check out in here, and also all your favorite video. If you like some videos, the video will be appear in this section. It's very simple, right? So that is how to find your posted video on Spotlight on Snapchat. And then here you can also unrepost, like just like this. So it will be disappear from this section. It's very simple, right? So that is how to find your posted video on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.